So hi guys, today we will talk about the LCM and I will teach you that how to find LCM of any number. So let's start the video, and our first question is 16 and 14. So how to find the LCM of 16 and 14? So firstly we have to make the column. Make a column like this. 3 arrows we will make, and now we have to write the both of the questions on the right side. Remember guys, we are on always we have to write the question at the right side, so we will write 16 and 14, and now we have to divide it by lowest common multiple. So firstly it will not divide by 1, so we will take 2. 2 8s are 16. So guys, remember we have to write the middle number 8 below the 16. So 2 8s are 16, so we will write 8 below the 16, and 2 7s are 14, so we will write 7 below the 14. And now also we will divide it by 2. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, so we will write 4 at below the 8. 2 4s are 8, and 2 7, so 7 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 7 as given. So we will write 7 as given, and now we will divide 4 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 7 will be same. So now 2 1s are 2, and now we will be divide the 7 by 7, because 7 is a prime number. It will be not divisible by 1 or 7, so we will divide 7 by its own number. So and now guys, this is the main part, and we have to write the multiples in the line. So 2 2 2 2, so 2 into 4, 2 2 2 2. So guys, here 2 is the at the 4 times, and 7 is 1 time, so we will write 7 1 time. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 7s are 1 minute guys. So guys, 16 7s are is equals to 170 112. So 16 7s are 112. So 112 is the LCM. Now we will try the second sum, and second sum we will take like 8 and 20. So we will take 8 and 20. So guys, firstly make the column, write the question at the right side. 8 20, 2 4s are 8, so we will write 4 below the 8, and 20, 2 10s are 20, so 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, so we will write 5 below the 10. 2 1s are 2, and 5 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 5 same here below the 5. So now we will divide 5 by its own number, because it is a prime number, and 1 will be same because it is not dividing, so 1 will be same written, and 5 1s are 5, so 1 1 guys, remember when only 1 1 is coming, your LCM is out. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, we have to write all the multiples in the line, and now we have to multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 8s are 40. So 40 is the LCM of this question. So guys, now I am thinking that you. So hi guys, today we will talk about how to take out the LCM of some questions, and I will tell about the short tricks of taking out the LCM. So our first question is 6, 12, 24 and 48. So first we have to look at the highest number in the question. So in this question the highest number is 48. So is 48 is divisible by all three numbers? So yes, 6 8s are 48, 12 4s are 48 and 24 2s are 48. So it is divisible by all three numbers. So our LCM will be 48. So first question's LCM is 48. So guys, you saw that how simply we take out the LCM in some seconds. This trick will help you in so many exams. So our second question is 5, 15 and 20 and 30. So first we have to look at the highest number in the question. So highest number in this question is 30. So is 30 is divisible by all three numbers? So no. 5 6 are 30, 15 2s are 30, but 20 is not divisible by 30. So we have to multiply the 30 into 2. So 32s are 60 and 23s are 60. So it can divisible by 60, so we will multiply into 2. So the LCM, the highest number in this question is 60, so our LCM will be 60. So we also solve the second question, and the third question is 7, 14 and 13. So in the highest number in this question is 7 4 no, the highest number, sorry guys, the highest number in this question is 14. So is 14 divisible by all two numbers? So no. 7 2s are 14, but 13 is not divisible by 14 because 13 is a prime number. It can only divisible by 13 and 1. So we will if so guys, you have to remember that is there any prime number in your question, you have to multiply the prime number with the highest number of the question. So highest number of the question is 14 and the prime number of this question is 13. So we have to multiply 14 13s are 1 14 13s are guys 1 minute 182. Okay guys, so 14 13s are 182. Yes. So guys, the LCM of this question is 182.